Hello train enthusiasts, and welcome back to Gustrider Trains. Today we have something truly special to talk about, a legendary Flying Scotsman Model Train. I'm sure many of you have heard the hype surrounding this iconic locomotive in the world of model trains, but the question is, does it live up to the hype? That's exactly what we're going to find out in today's in-depth review. This Flying Scotsman Model Train was quite a bargain, coming in at just 130 Australian dollars. The only trade-off is that it's tender-driven. Before we dive into the details of this remarkable model train, let's take a moment to explore the rich history behind the legendary Flying Scotsman. This locomotive holds a special place in the hearts of rail enthusiasts worldwide. The Flying Scotsman, originally built in 1923 for the London and North Eastern Railway (LNER), quickly gained fame for its speed, reliability and striking appearance. It was designed by Sir Nigel Gresley, one of the most celebrated locomotive engineers of his time. This iconic locomotive was initially intended to run the prestigious Flying Scotsman service, which connected London to Edinburgh in style and luxury. The train's famous non-stop service made it a symbol of British engineering excellence and a testament to the romance of train travel. It even held the honour of being the first steam locomotive to officially reach the 100 miles per hour in 1934. Over the years, the Flying Scotsman underwent various modifications, including a change in livery from apple green to British Railways Brunswick green, but its charm and significance remained intact. Today, both the real and model versions of the Flying Scotsman continue to captivate the imaginations of rail enthusiasts and collectors alike. The boiler features intricate lining, adding to the visual appeal. There are finely crafted wire handrails along the locomotive. The nameplate is well crafted and adds to the train's authenticity. The safety valves are separately fitted, adding to the model's realism. The dome and funnel are meticulously detailed. A rail on the front of the smoke box provides a realistic touch. The buffers are highly detailed and give the model an authentic look. The number looks realistic. The cab features moulded handrails onto the body, enhancing its appearance. The cab number is nicely presented. While the cab has an interior, it is not painted. There are some details, including a moulded shovel. The tender's side has well painted details that enhance its overall look. The LNER inscription on the tender's side adds a historical accuracy. On the back of the tender, there's a moulded ladder. The coal load in the tender looks convincing and adds to the realism. The water filler cap on the tender features intricate detailing. So if you're wondering why I can just push this train in, it's because this isn't any normal loco. Not just that's the Flying Scotsman, but also it has a motorised tender, which is pretty interesting. Actually, it hasn't been that bad. Okay, so let's first check out the slow speeds. Okay, so it's reasonably slow. This Hornby model is pretty slow. It's pretty coggy. Yeah. Yes, that's not too good. And now the fast speed. Now let me just get this out so I can actually make it go. So yeah, that's actually pretty fast. Yeah. I mean, they definitely could have get it down so it goes slow and has better slow speed, but I mean, yeah. Actually, not that bad. So let's open this tender up. So it shouldn't be too hard, this mold, because it seems to sometimes just be falling off. Well, not falling off, but like one side's coming off slightly. There we go, just re-rail it. So here we go. So as you can see, it has got a pancake motor. Now, while pancake motors aren't really the best, when you consider actually how well this model runs, it's not that bad. The only problem is, if you didn't know, pancake motors, I believe, are the hardest motor in a model train to fix. Because they've got all this plastic around the motor, in there, stuff. So yeah. The mechanism, I mean, it's okay. It runs. You only have a problem when it doesn't run. So yeah. Yeah. Good. So let's see, how much can this loco pull? So let's see if it can pull 3. If the motor and its speed can say anything about it, I think it will be able to pull quite a few. So yeah, easy. I mean, it's only 3. But yeah. And now we've added 3 more, so can I pull them? Oh, seems to be having some trouble. Very interesting. Hopefully we'll be able to pull a good number. Here we're struggling. So, can the Flying Scotsman pull 9? Oh, we seem to have a derailment. So let's try that again. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to count that as yes, but I mean it is close, not pulling it. So I'll add 1 more. Added 1 more. See if we can pull it. This one's a rather light one, so should be. Just yes, it can. And another one. Okay, so we added another one. So can I pull? Oh, let me see. That would be 11 by now. Yeah. Okay, and some more. So let's try 12. Yes, it can. Barely. I really don't want to strain out the wire. But can it? Is it going to start? But if I put it close to 75% speed, it can. Don't want to strain it out too much, so I'll only add 2 more and see if I can pull those, and then go on to the next clip. Okay, so we added 2 more, so can I pull it? Let's find out. Oh. Doesn't seem to be able to. Okay, so that is the limit. Okay. Well. So, then next clip. I believe this locomotive is worth the $130 I paid for it. It has quality separate parts, a nice appearance, and runs fairly well, making it a good model. While it may not be my best, it's a worthwhile addition to my collection. passionate about model trains as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss another review or showcase on Gustrider train. And if you've had any experience with the Flying Scotsman or the model Flying Scotsman train, please share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thank you for joining me on this journey to uncover whether the Flying Scotsman model train is truly worth the hype. Stay tuned for more exciting model train content on Gustrider trains, and until next time, happy railroading.